My name is Happiness Mukonzo. I represent Entwise Training and Consulting. I'm a co-founder of Entwise Training and Consulting. What we do is insurance training. We are an Inseta Accredited company. We also do CPD workshop accredited by the Insurance Institute of South Africa, IISA. We also do customized insurance training. The other part of the business is we do skills development facilitation. We are passionate about educating the youth and getting them into employment, seeing as in South Africa we have such a high unemployment rate. So what we do for the youth is learnership and internships. So we find them internships in insurance companies. And hopefully, we hope at the end of their internship, they get employed, gainfully employed. We have been operational since 2017. The main goal of the company is to ensure that the youth out there have skills, but specifically in the insurance industry. We find that a lot of youth don't know what the insurance industry is about. And Entwise is there to fill in the gap as a training provider, but also as a link between the youth and the insurance companies to help them get employment. Our company is unique in the sense that our co-founder, which is the director, is an insurance practitioner and has been in the insurance industry for the past 20 years. So we've got experts in our team. So we find that in this training space, a lot of our clients then appreciate someone who's had experience in the insurance industry and in the training business. So we merge those two very well, and we find that we service our clients superbly. Our vision for the company is to see the youth gainfully employed. We want to equip them with skills in the insurance industry, and we want the insurance space to be able to recruit youth that have a bit of knowledge in the insurance industry.